In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse and expand parent and child rows in Smartsheet. If you're working in a Smartsheet sheet that includes multiple levels of information, keeping everything organized can make a big difference. Parent and child rows are especially useful when you want to group related tasks, phases, or details together without cluttering the sheet. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly collapse child rows under a parent row, and then expand them again whenever you need to review the details. To begin, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the parent and child rows you want to work with. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to confirm that the rows are actually grouped using hierarchy. In Smartsheet, hierarchy means that one main row acts as the parent, and the rows indented beneath it are its child rows. This structure is what allows you to collapse and expand sections. Next, locate the parent row that has child rows underneath it. You can usually identify it by looking for indented rows directly below it, along with a small icon to the left of the parent row. This icon will either be a minus sign or a plus sign, depending on whether the section is currently expanded or collapsed. If the child rows are visible, click the minus icon beside the parent row. As soon as you do that, the child rows will collapse under the parent. This is helpful when you want to reduce visual clutter, focus on higher level summaries, or make a long sheet easier to navigate. The parent row will remain visible, but the rows beneath it will be hidden from view until you choose to expand them again. Whenever you want to see those child rows again, simply click the plus icon next to the same parent row. That will expand the section and display all of the child rows underneath it. This makes it easy to switch back and forth between a detailed view and a cleaner, more compact overview of your sheet. After you've organized the rows the way you want, save the sheet to make sure your changes are retained. Saving is a good habit anytime you've adjusted the layout or structure of your work, especially if you're preparing the sheet for collaboration or future review. That's it. You now know how to collapse and expand parent and child rows in Smartsheet to keep your sheet organized and easier to manage.